Yes, now my son has started writing the letter P from the sky, L, touch the sky, come down, drag A, and drag U, and Y. Very good. Now can you write the next letter? Run from the sky, R, U, drag N. Sit properly, boy. Yes. Right. Yeah. L to the sky. I, small letter, small d. Slowly you write. And E. S you did not write properly. Can you write properly? Yes. Touch the sky. Very good. And now turn the page and write the sentence. I am a boy. I, capital letter. I, put the finger space. A man. A, drag A and drag M. Finger space. Drag A. Finger space. B. Touch the sky. Come down. Drag right like C. Go round inside. Write U and go down, touch the ground. Boy, foot full stop. Foot full stop. Thank you, Milan.
You're welcome.
Thank you.